Okay, Jiawen, how is it now? Can you hear me now? Jiawen. Okay, so if we apply the formula here, it will be a plus b and a minus b. Okay, and then you can just simply put the a and b back. Make sure you simplify it. Double check if there's any GCF. Okay, we have 6 answers finished. Jiawen, is your mic working now? Maybe you can restart the computer because I still cannot hear you. Okay, anyone else finished? Okay, Brandon, Evan, Jenny, any trouble? Okay, Angela, what's your final answer look like?
I'm not sure I did this right. I got bracket 2, bracket 4x minus 3, bracket x minus 3.
Okay. And Marcus, how about yours? Have you got there yet?
No.
Okay, how far are you?
I'm stuck here. I'm confused on what to do.
You mean you stuck at a plus b, a minus b?
Yeah, I have no idea what to do.
Do you know how we get to here?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so just like what we did before, next time if you get stuck, you have to let me know right away so you're not waiting for 5 minutes, okay?
All right.
Yeah, so let me know right away, then I can point you to the right direction. So just like over here, it's similar to this step right now. You got, and then you got to replace the a back, right? So if your a represent x plus 4, then into the where the a is. Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so like over here, the a represents what?
5x minus 2.
Yeah, in brackets, okay? And then b represents?
3x minus 4.
Yeah, so your next step is to put
Back.
them back, yeah, put them back into the a and b. And then after that, you simplify each square bracket, right? Because once you put it back, you have a lot of bracket inside and you simplify. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, Selena, how are you doing? You're done, huh? Okay, Selena, what's your final answer look like?
Oh no, I was just done like the part after that.
Which part?
Like what to put the numbers into the A and B.
Yeah, and then have you simplified it yet?
No.
Okay, you gotta simplify it now, okay? After you simplify, let me know your answer. Jawan, are you back yet? Is your mic working yet?
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, welcome back. Okay. So do you know what to do right now?
I'm not
sure.
Okay, at the beginning, okay, question F, it has two different brackets, right? You see?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, so we let each bracket to be different letter. So we let 5x minus 2 to be A. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, on the right side. And then 3x minus 4 to be B. So if you replace with the question, then the question now become A squared minus B squared. Okay?
Okay.
Do you know how to factor A squared minus B squared?
I'm not sure.
How many terms does it have?
There are two terms.
Yeah, and is there a subtraction in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you have that, you use which method to factor? Two terms with a subtraction, which method?
Factor by formula.
Yeah, okay. So do you remember how to do using formula? What's the formula?
Bracket A plus B, bracket A minus B.
That's right. Okay, so that's how we get the second line, right? Okay, understand up to there?
Yeah.
Okay, so after you figure out the formula, then you replace your original substitution back. Okay, so the A, you replace with the 5x minus 2. Do you see the green line?
Yeah.
Okay, and the B, what do you replace with?
3x minus 4.
Yeah, okay. So then that will give you the third line. Okay, can you try it? Okay, write it in your book. And then after that, you can simplify each bracket. Okay, Selena, are you done?
Yeah, I got for bracket 4x subtract 3, and then bracket x subtract 3.
Oh, okay. So your answer is having a 4 at the front. Okay, Jenny, how are you doing?
For question F,
What?
I got 2 bracket 4x minus 3 bracket x plus 1 as well.
X plus 1?
Yeah.
Okay. So a little bit different, right? Amanda, how about you? What's your answer like?
I got the same as the first one.
So the one with the X plus 1?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, let's go over now, okay? See which one you can compare with your steps, okay, to see where you make a mistake. So A is the 5x minus 2. Usually the mistakes happen with the sign, okay? So you can see I am keeping my brackets. So if you made a mistake, it's probably because you did not keep the brackets when you sub it back, okay? I'm keeping my brackets as well. And then A minus B. B is 3x minus 4, okay? So you can see I'm keeping my bracket. One is plus, one is minus. So now when we simplify the first one, okay, combine the like terms. Okay, Ivy, what do you have in the first bracket?
I got 8x minus 6.
8x minus 6. Yep, looks correct. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. Negative 2 plus negative 4, negative 6. Okay, now the second bracket. Elaine, what do you have? Second bracket.
That is the 2x plus 2.
2x plus 2. Okay, so let's take a look. 5x minus 3x, 2x, negative 2, subtract. Okay, so remember it's subtracting a negative 4. When you subtract a negative 4, it becomes plus 4, right? So it should become plus 2. So, but it's not done, right? Now you guys already know. You have to continue checking for GCF. From the first part, you can take the 2 out, okay? From the second part, you can also take out a 2. So that means at the front, you should have a 4. Right? 2 goes out, and then another 2 goes out. They are all outside multiplying. Okay, so you should have a 4 at the front. It came from both of the 2. Okay, so far we have a 4, right? In your answer, one of the answer has a 4. And now if I take out the 2 from the red one, you get 4x minus 3. Yeah, we got that right here. And then if you take out the 2 from the second one, then you get x plus 1. So up there. Okay, so if you combine your answer, sort of, you get the correct answer. Okay, so be careful on what you take out and watch out for the subtraction. Okay, how did you guys get the x minus 3? Can you tell me, how did you get x minus 3?
I wrote 2x subtract 6 instead of plus 2.
2x subtract 6. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, so I think that's also because the sign, right? So subtract will make it become plus, subtract negative. So be careful with those little things, okay? But always point out where are the possible mistakes. So just pay attention when you're doing the homework. Keep the brackets, okay? That's the way to avoid making those mistakes. Okay, let's pick another one. Let's do, okay, which one should we do? Let's do question I, a little bit tricky one here. Okay, question I. Oh, where did it go? Here. Okay, my first question is the brackets. Are the brackets GCF? Okay, my first question is, are the brackets GCF in this question? What do you think? Are the 3 brackets GCF? Brandon?
They're not GCF
Why not?
because the last bracket is 1 minus x.
Okay, and the other 2?
And the other 2 are x minus 1.
So they are not the same?
No.
No, okay. Is there a way to make them the same? Is it possible? Have we done something similar to that? Like somehow make them, because they look really similar, right? Is there a way so then they are the same?
I think I forgot.
Take a look, okay? It's also in this chapter. Anyone want to help out? How do we make it the same?
Like change the sign.
Change the sign. Change which sign?
Change like plus to minus for 7.
For 7, okay, so we change the 7 from positive 7 to minus 7, and then?
And then the negative in between 1 and x becomes plus. I mean, like,
So like this?
it becomes minus 1.
So minus 1, and then x.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you guys, do you remember where we learned this? It's from GCF. Let me pull back, okay? So our first method. You can look at your notes, page 24, and you go down to question K. Okay, if it's subtraction and you swap them around, it's different, right? So the only same after swapping is you have to change the sign at the front. So like here, question K, you have m minus 4, right? And 4 minus m. So what we can do is we change the sign of the 3, right? Here is negative 3 in the question. We change it to positive 3. And then to balance that change, we make the sign on the inside also change. So instead of 4, we change it to negative 4. And then negative m become positive m. So now the two brackets are the same because the signs are the same. Okay? So it's using what we learned before as well. Okay, it's a good chance to review that. So your first thing is to rewrite it to make the brackets become GCF. So even though GCF at first, but this question we can make it GCF. Okay, so we change the 7 to negative 7, and then the brackets are now the same. Okay, so I'm gonna just swap it around. Okay, so if you multiply back in, you get the original question back. So there's no change to the question, right? You're just rewriting it so then it makes it GCF. Okay, so now the brackets are the same. You don't need substitution, okay? You just do GCF. So I'll let you complete the rest. Okay, take the GCF out and see what else you need to do. And once you get the final answer, okay, raise your hand. I will write on the side, okay? So this one has a has a GCF of x minus 1. Okay, anyone else finished? Only one person so far? Two people now. GCF is x minus 1. Okay, we got 4 people not done. Okay, we have 8 now. Anyone else? 9, 10, good, good. One more, let's get one more. Okay, 11. All right, Colin, what's your final answer look like?
I got bracket x minus 1, bracket x plus 1, bracket 4x minus 7.
Okay, right, let's see. Okay, if we take out x minus 1, then you are left with 4x squared minus 3x minus 7. And then after that, you need to use cross multiply, right? 3 term, you want to try. If the cross multiply for sure doesn't work, then your answer is there, okay? It doesn't mean it's no solution. You just factor as far as you can. So this one looks like you can factor more, right? So let's see your pair. 4x minus 7, yeah, the pair works. Yeah, you're right, okay? So these 3 are the brackets. Okay, Ivy, Jawin, and Marcus, do you have any question? Jawin and Marcus?
No.
Okay, okay.
No.
Right, I'm gonna pick one more question and then we'll look at book 2, okay? The last one I want to do is question L. Okay, so please go to the last one here. Okay, so first thing you see is what? What's the most important thing that you see, Marcus?
It has C2 and mine, they're all the same.
They're all the
G-
same. Yeah, so what do you do when they're all the same?
You just take it out.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so brackets are the same. That means brackets are GCF. So you take the GCF out. Okay, and then you go from there. See if you can find anything else to factor. Okay, so I'll leave this all to all of you, right? See if you can completely factor. Make sure you keep checking if it's completely factored.
Jason, can you zoom out a little bit?
Zoom out. Okay, what do you want to see?
The last answer. Okay.
Yeah. So now you're done. Can I zoom in now?
Yeah.
Okay. So for this one, the GCF, right, is c squared minus 4. So we don't need substitution here, okay? When the brackets are GCF, you don't need substitution. Okay, let's check the first line, okay? At least everybody should have finished the first line after taking the GCF out. Okay, Evan, what does it look like for first line?
The first line, you take out the GCF, so it's c squared minus 4 in brackets, and then you get bracket c squared plus 4c plus 4.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, minus 4.
Okay, where's the minus 4 come from?
Oh no, plus 4. Sorry, I'm seeing so many 4s. Just plus 4.
Yep, okay. Confusing. Okay, we got 2 people finish the whole thing. Anyone else? Join the club? Oh, 5. Yeah, Evan? Okay, 6. Remember, you want to keep checking if there's more factor to be done, okay? So you check all your methods, GCF, right? Is there any GCF in each bracket? You check formula, right? You check cross multiply. Yeah, basically only these 3, right? You just keep reviewing those 3 methods. Okay, we have 8 people done now. 9, 10. 11. Let's get one more. Okay, okay. Marcus, are you stuck anywhere?
I'm still working on it.
Did you get to this step right now?
I'm on the next one.
Huh?
Yeah, I got that one.
Okay, do you know what to do after that?
Try to cross multiply it.
For which bracket?
The one on the right.
Yeah, okay. So let me know when you found the pairs, okay?
Okay. It's just C and C and then 2, 2.
C and C, 2 and 2. So how do you write the answer?
C plus 2 and then C plus 2.
Okay, C plus 2, C plus 2. Okay, anything to do with the first bracket?
I don't know.
Right, the red one becomes the 2 brackets, right? What about the green one? Anything we can do with that? How many terms do you see?
2.
Yeah. In the middle, what do you see? In the middle of the two terms, is it add or subtract?
Add. No, subtract.
Subtract, right? You have two terms with the subtraction, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Which method do you think you can try?
I don't know.
Two terms with subtraction. Check your notes, right? In this chapter, which method you will use when you see two terms with a subtraction?
Formula.
Okay. Take a look at how you use the formula in your notes and see if you know how to apply it here.
It'd be C, just C. Wouldn't it just be, you take it out, so it'd just be C minus 2.
And the other one?
C plus 2.
Yeah, okay. So you kind of like square root it and then put it into two more brackets. Okay, so can you tell me again the two answers, two brackets?
U minus 2 and C plus 2.
Yeah. Okay, put it down on your book. And Jenny, how are you doing? Are you done?
No, I'm not. I'm on the same part that you just wrote down.
Okay, then you can think about, let me know, what should we do next now?
Since C plus 2 is like the same, would you just do C minus 2 in brackets and then C plus 2 in brackets?
Mm-hmm. And then?
Is that it?
That's it? Okay, we have three brackets are the same, right? C plus 2, C plus 2, C plus 2.
Yeah.
So if you have three of the same thing multiplying together, what's a better way to write it?
To the power of 3?
Yeah, so you can make it shorter.
Okay.
Yeah, so leave your answer like that. Okay. So of course, if you leave your answer like with the 4 bracket, it's not wrong. Okay, but then just in the answer key, they will always make it look simpler. Okay, does anyone else have question about this one? No? Okay. So that's all the methods. Okay, let's quickly recap what's happening here, because in your homework, I'll be assigning substitution questions. Okay, so as you can see, substitution, not just substitute, right? Sometimes you don't need substitution. Okay, so it'll be a mix. And if you need to use substitution, after substitution, you might need to use cross multiply, right? And then especially like question F. After substitution, you use the formula, right? So depending on what form you see, how many terms you get, then you choose different methods. And then another thing to remember is at the end, you have to check for GCF. Okay, make sure no more things can be factored. All right, so if you have any more questions, you can stay after class and I'll post the homework later today, okay? And have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.
Thank you.
Okay.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.